Hey guys, a quick update. You can see I'm still doing some de-rusting on the Stewart-Warner chassis. I've got a really bad area down here on this left front corner. So it's taking some extra time there. I may end up having to just sand it off. It's really bad. Time will tell. Anyway, I hooked up a signal tracer being offered by BD Electronic Kits, Bob and Doug, and I'm using it to test the volume control that I rebuilt some time back. It tested well on my analog VOM, but I just want to make sure I'm just taking an audio signal source from my Bluetooth and feeding that into the signal tracer. Let me zoom in here just a bit. And I'm going to stream some songs. Make sure my clip stays on here. And run the volume control up and down just to make sure that it's not jumping around like it was previously, kind of all over the place due to the carbon track being extremely nasty. I'll put a link in the video description as well to BD Electronic Kits offering the BDST-2 and more. You guys can check it out there. I hope to start the electronic part of the Stewart-Warner here in the next week or so. So just another use of a signal tracer with an audio source, that being a signal generator, or in this case, just my Bluetooth device. Just to ensure that I've got everything nice and clean. When I put it back in the receiver, it should work well. Appreciate you guys watching. More to come soon. Again, you can reference the video description for a link to BD Electronic Kits, the BDST-2 that I used here in this video, or their other offerings.